Hi there, thanks for joining. We were back on the bug again. This is the little Peugeot 107. Look what's happened. We've had a disaster. I was merrily driving along listening to my Christmas songs when this BMW's got too close and just took the mirror clean off. Now, he was flying down the road. This was only like a 40-mile-an-hour road, but he was absolutely motoring. Hit this with such venom. It's come back, whacked the window. I thought the glass was going to go in, but it's boffed that, smashed it off. So anyway, no great shakes. I'm sure it's going to cost him a lot more to fix his car. He just carried on going, didn't even stop. I've been on eBay, and look what I've managed to get. Next day delivery, 30 quid, complete, silver, nearly the right kind of silver as well, it's really close. This is off of an Aygo, doesn't matter, Citroën C1, Peugeot 107, Toyota Aygo, all the same fitment these. So just got to unbolt this old one, get the new one on there. Nice and easy, it's not a bad job. 1, 2, 3 bolts on the back. Let's get inside. So on here we've got his little controller, works the cables that go through. We've just got to take this little panel off here. So we get a screwdriver behind that and pop that off. It just literally slides in and clips in, which then reveals a couple of screws. Let's pop those out. Nice big beefy screws.
Really like these ratchet screwdrivers, make light work of it. We can just grab hold of that then and give it a tug, and it just pops off its clips.
Now we can see we've got a bolt going through there, we've got a bolt there, and we've got the bolt at the back there. 3 10mm bolts.
Yeah, you can see a bit clearer there, one at the top, one at the side, and one through the little hole.
Right, little 10mm socket on the end of a ratchet there, and let's start to wind these out. There's one through the gap there. I'll just crack this one off as well while we're at it. Let's go with this one first, and go back in there. Yeah, it's starting to come off already, look. I'll be careful not to drop this one inside the door. There we go. It's not going to fall through because it's got that cable on it there. Yeah. Alright, let's go around the other side. And this now should just come straight off. There we go. Out with the old, in with the new. This one looks quite new, to be fair. This must be off a newer model. Looks really nice. I mean, the paintwork and everything's super on it. We'll slide that through. Yeah, let's go and get some screws back in. Okay. And I can see the little, just there, if I just hold that in place from behind. That's the first one. Two. And the last one, like I say, be careful not to drop this one. Yeah, that feels good. Now we need to get this back on again. Just the 2 pop clips.
Yeah, put it on the right way around, not upside down, you donut. There we go.
Slide that over there. And just push them back on again. 2 screws. And then there's a little cover there to go on. Perfect. And the last thing to do is just to get the wrap off there. Oh, that's mint, that is. Yeah, looking good. Oh, how well that's gone on. And like I say, the colour is bang on. It's absolutely perfect. Nice. So the beauty of these CityBugs, cheap and cheerful, easy to repair. Oh, I mean, that would have been a bit of a nightmare on the BMW. It would have been expensive, not as easy to find. I mean, this was literally straight on. There was a list of all the different mirrors I could have chose from. I found one that looked quite unscratched and was silver. Even searched for the colour and it came up. There was about 6 or 7 silver ones on there. It's on, it's fixed, it's all good. If this one's been of use, if you've enjoyed the video, if it's helped you out, if you've had yours bashed off, then drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.